Okay, this is ocean to river living done right. Welcome to 711 Marbrisa River Lane, where space, light, and water views steal the show. Look at these soaring ceilings and wall-to-wall riverside windows. The Indian River becomes your backdrop all day long. Step outside and it only gets better. Sparkling pool overlooking the river. Private dock and lift, sunset views that never get old. And when you're ready to leave home, if ever, you've got 2 clubhouses, 2 pools, including an oceanfront clubhouse and pool. Yes, beach days are built in. Quiet oak-treed streets, timeless Vero Beach charm, and the best of both worlds. Ocean on one side, river on the other. This isn't just a house, it's a lifestyle, and it's waiting for you.